Hey! Alright everybody, how's it going? Now then, something a bit different today. This by here is my brother's project, his new project he's been doing for about, I don't know, 6 months or more, maybe more, I can't remember exactly. And this frame here is a Honda CB400T. It was an import, so it wasn't much rust on it. Even though it's about 41 years old, this frame, there wasn't that much rust on it. But anyway, I don't know if you can see, it's been shot blasted and powder coated, and it's looking pristine now. But anyway, let's bring in the camera and have a little bit of a look at it and see what it's like. So let's have a quick look around it. We'll start down by here. Brand new bolts going in, stainless steel as well, I think these are. And you can see, look there, you can see it's been shot blasted by how clean that is there, look. And we'll have a quick look down here. You can see, look, looks fantastic in there, doesn't it? Brilliant. Up along here, he's put a new rubber in there on both sides, over there as well, look. The collar was, so he's reused the collar. Stainless steel bolts there. These will be to fix stuff on, obviously. And then we've got up here, and he's put new head stock races, whatever they're called, a new one in there. He's got a new set of bearings, and then we've got another one there, like that. This was taken off carefully. Well, you can see 1981 there, look, see? 1981 model CPT. This was taken off carefully and been put back on. Let's have a quick look around here, down there, like this. Have a good look around it all. Look, you can see it's lovely, powder coated. It's going to be a lovely bike when it's finished. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why you got a bike frame on the table in the living room? He doesn't fix stuff in the living room. I just brought it in here because there was no room in the shed to have a good look around it. So I've put that nice old curtain on the table, and I've put this on here. This is just for filming purposes, so don't all start saying, oh, you know, how do you manage to do that in the living room? He doesn't fix motorbikes in his living room. I fix bikes in my living room. He doesn't fix bikes in his living room, okay? So this is just for filming purposes. Anyway, I'm just going to go out now and have a look if there's some other parts you can have a look at. Right, okay then, I got a couple more parts he's done here. You can see this is the bottom engine case, this bit and this bit here. And this is one of the side cases to go on the side of the engine. Sort of sumpy bit, pistons go in there. So I'll bring you in a bit closer and have a look at these bits as well. Let me just get the camera out of here. Like this, just get the camera out. Take you over here like this. Put the light on. And you can see like that's been, so he took that something to be polished. Look at that, looks fantastic, doesn't it? So that's come up lovely, that have come up absolutely lovely. And then, so that's been polished. And then these casings here have been vapor blasted. And this will be the finish. You leave it like that, the finish like that. And I think, I'm not quite sure what he's doing with the top end parts yet. But that's been done there, that's been done there. Completely stripped down. He's rebuilding the engine, new bearings and all that sort of stuff going in. You know, he does a proper job, proper top-notch job. So there's them bits out there as well. Anyway, that's how far he's got so far with his motorbike project. But I did film some stuff previous to that, a few months ago. So let's run the old sort of cinematic, bit of music, nonsense, funny transition stuff. Let's roll that.
All I want
Okay then, now I'm outside his shed, so I thought I'd take you in here and have a look at he's done a Kawasaki Zzr600 before, so you can see the kind of work he does. I'll take you in the shed now, and you can see what's going on in the shed. So we'll grab the camera, just take the camera off the tripod here, like this, and we'll pop in the shed then, okay? Right, the light on, so now the seat is off because he's charging the battery, because obviously you've got to charge the battery now and again. But all these panels have been resprayed on here. Let's look at it. Let's try and get back a bit further and have a look at it before I go any further. Try and give you an idea of the motorbike. But you can see here, look, like for instance, the frame. Originally this frame was just aluminium. This has been powder coated in a satin black. We've got engine cases here, look. They've been powder coated satin black. We got these have been blasted, these pegs here. Then new foot peg rubbers. This has been powder coated. That's been powder coated. New exhaust on it all the way through. Look down at the wheels. Look, nice gold powder coating on there. Powder coated brakes. New discs. Let's get up by and have a look at this front. And the top, sorry about that, the yokes and stuff, powder coated, look, new grips. I'm not quite sure if he had these done or they're new. These might be new. They look pretty new, don't they, because they're not faded or anything. And then obviously the original clocks there with the mileage. And I think there's a reconditioned newish engine in there as well. And then round to the front, we've got this nice. See, it's all stainless steel bolts everywhere. This was resprayed in a. If I remember, it's not a Kawasaki colour. It's close to a Kawasaki colour. It might be an MG colour. Not quite sure. But come down here then. Look, and we got nice brake discs here. Look, front wheels powder coated. You know, tyres in great nick. Obviously new tyres. Powder coating satin black on the front forks there. I think there's new stanchions up in there. No marks on the toe or anything. We got these brakes here. I think these are not the original brakes, but they've been refurbished as well. Stainless steel hoses. I think he changed the radiator in there. I mean, you can see it's a fantastic restoration. If I can get back a bit further, like that. Obviously the seat's not on it, but you can see that's the kind of this will be the sort of quality of work on the Honda 400 CB400T. This back frame here has been powder coated, look. So it's all been gone through completely. Engine, carburetor has been, I can't remember what it's called now. You put in a thing, don't you? Clean it out. I can't remember what it's called. That's been done. Obviously all the oils have been changed and everything. As you can see, the engine in here is just, the engine's nice and clean in here as well. You can see I'm pointing in there. It's hard to see in there really, but anyway, so just thought I'd pop in, and obviously that's a tank cover. It's blue under there, the same colour as under there, but it's nice, isn't it? But this bike might be going up for sale, not quite sure yet, because obviously he needs to bring in and build the Honda CB400T, which will take that spot there, I assume. But anyway, let's go back outside and come around here, show you the view while I'm here. It's quite a nice view from here as well, if you can see that. But anyway, let's put the camera back on the old tripod like this. Put the camera back on there a minute, if I can. Instead of cutting all the time, I'll just got my hand in the way. Right, there we go. So there you go. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, all them good things, and I'll see you in the next one. Ho-hoi!